Hi and welcome to Case Club. Today we'll be reviewing our Glock 20 pistol case. It's designed to hold your Glock 20 and 3 extra magazines. First we'll talk about the layout of the foam, and then the features of the case. When your case arrives, you'll need to remove the foam plugs. Removing the pistol foam plug will immediately fit a Glock 20. You will note we've added a finger hole on the side of the grip so the gun can be safely removed without getting close to the trigger. Our case features customizable foam with perforated sections that can accommodate your gun with or without underbarrel attachments, optics, or a threaded barrel. To fit any of these features, you'll need to connect the perforations in these sections with a knife and remove the foam. Just in case you change your attachments later, save all your plugs and simply reinsert them back into the case to keep the fit snug. Hot glue can be used to permanently glue the foam back in place. The case also has 2 magazine cutouts that can hold a total of 3 mags, plus 1 in the gun if you choose. The cutout on the bottom left can hold 2 magazines stacked on top of each other. For excess magazine capacity, we've included a cutout below the grip which will hold 1 more spare mag. On top of that, the pistol cutout includes a magazine relief, so a mag can be left in the gun for a total capacity of 4. This case is guaranteed for life and is airline approved for checked luggage. It is also a legal transport device in all 50 states. We recommend this case for vehicle storage, camping, off-roading, and airline travel. Be advised, this foam is an upgrade from Pluck Foam. Unlike Pluck Foam, this foam is pre-cut, ensuring a perfect fit for your gear and saving you time from having to do it yourself. Another advantage of our foam is its military spec characteristics when compared to cheaper foam. When it's closed cell, it won't absorb liquid and you can easily clean it if it gets dirty over time. Cheaper foam, on the other hand, will absorb any liquids and slowly deteriorate. Also, it provides adequate cushion for your gear, but won't tear like the cheaper foam. And around the perimeter of the lid is a gasket seal, which makes the case 100% waterproof. So let's put it to the test. First, we'll put in a paper towel to show that no water gets in. Perfectly dry. The case features 2 snap latches with positive feedback, 2 metal reinforced padlockable holes for added security, 1 manual pressure relief valve so that the case can be opened at any altitude, a light orange peel texture to help prevent scratches. In back, there are 2 strong mechanical hinges with stainless steel pins that are one way so that they cannot be tapped out, as well as feet so that the case can stand upright on its own. The handle folds down to stay out of the way when not in use, and the case shell features ribs to help deflect impact. You can find this product and many more at caseclub.com, the industry-leading manufacturer of cases and custom foam. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.